Have you ever wanted to make passive income, but you felt like you didn't have the money it took to get started? Well, in this video, I'll share with you 7 passive income ideas that take little money to get started. And if you're new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button below for more life-changing content. Idea number 1, leverage high-interest bank accounts. If you have money laying around in the bank and have never really thought twice about it, then more likely than not, you are not maximizing the returns on these funds. While using bank accounts to make passive income won't make you rich overnight, sorry about that, moving your money into higher yielding accounts can help your money grow at a faster rate than you've normally been experiencing. And you know what the best part is that most banks don't require a minimum balance, meaning that even if you don't have much money to your name, you can start to gain a little bit of extra interest on the money you do have. You see, as of 2019, the average savings account interest rate was a measly 0.09%. But what a lot of people don't know is that there are a number of better options available. For instance, if you're looking for a low-risk, high-interest earning cash account, Betterment Everyday currently offers a 2.44% APY, which is more than 27 times the average, and this account is fee-free, meaning that the difference in interest you earn is yours to keep. Now, you're probably thinking, how much of a difference will this make on a yearly basis? Well, if you had $500 in a standard savings account, earning just 0.09% annually, you would earn just 4 cents a year, a measly 4 cents. However, in the high-interest bank account, earning at 2.44% annually would leave you with $12, and while I'll admit, this is nothing to get too excited about, it takes next to no effort and will only compound as you contribute more into the account. Idea number 2, start a blog. If you're a good writer, or even a mediocre one, starting a blog can be an excellent way to make passive income. While starting up a blog does take a good amount of work up front, once you have your content online and it starts to gain traction within the Google search engine, you'll be making money whether you continue to publish content or not. So you may be wondering, how does a blog even make money? Well, let me explain. As your blog gets views, i.e. traffic, readers will interact with your site. This can be by following your affiliate links and buying products you recommend, purchasing courses you built, or just helping you make money using Google AdSense. One thing to note about this method of making passive income is that it takes quite a bit of effort, especially in the beginning. This is because in order to gain traction on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content, but like I said, after the content is live, it will make you money month after month. And one of the big upsides of starting a blog is the low startup costs. All you really need is a domain and web hosting, which can be very affordable. Sites like GoDaddy offer domains for as little as $2.99 for your first year, and as less than $30 for 2 years, which is plenty of time for your site to start making you passive income. When it comes to web hosting, this is also relatively inexpensive. You can get web hosting from HostGator for less than $4 a month, which is actually under $50 a year, meaning that starting to make passive income could be yours for roughly $50 annually. Idea number 3, sell an ebook. If you like the idea of writing, but don't want to deal with the technical headache that can come with blogging, consider self-publishing your own ebook. Ebooks are often much shorter than normal books, which puts less of a burden on you to produce a masterpiece. What's even better is how cost-effective this method of making passive income can be. If you have a computer, then you're in a good position, as all you need to publish your ebook is your Word document containing your text and a cover image. Now, you can insource all of the writing, editing, and graphics yourself, but if you want to spruce up your book, getting professional help can be very affordable. For instance, you can get a professional book cover on Fiverr for just $5, and proofreading can also be contracted out for cheap, meaning that for around $50, you can build an asset that can make you money in perpetuity. So let's say you want to try out this ebook business. Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is probably the easiest platform to get started on. Publishing takes just a few minutes, and most books appear on Kindle stores worldwide within 1 to 2 days. With Amazon KDP, you can earn up to 70% royalties on each sale to customers in most countries, and you can set your own prices and make changes to your book at any time. Idea number 4, sell an online course. In the 21st century, information is the most valuable asset, and one of the best ways to take advantage of the information age is through the sale of digital products like online courses. Now, you may be thinking, I have no idea what I could create a course about. And don't worry, that's normal. The good news is that there is a market for just about any information product online, from courses on web development to productivity and even journaling. Chances are you are skilled in multiple areas, of which at least one of them can be used to create a value-packed course. What's better is that the cost of creating an online course is quite low. Most courses consist of either audio and a slideshow or a video of the course creator, which can be manufactured using your smartphone, meaning that you really don't have to invest any money to start leveraging this passive income method. Additionally, selling your courses can be cost-effective too, as multiple platforms exist where you can host your course for free and receive a percentage of the profits when you make a sale. For instance, if you host your course on Udemy, any sale you make using the site's organic traffic will have you receiving 50% of the course's cost. And if you can generate your own sales, you'll net 97% of the purchase price. Therefore, with your current knowledge and a computer and a smartphone, you can be making passive income in no time. Idea number 5, start an ad agency. Think about how many small businesses are in your city. Chances are most of them are not effectively using social media to attract more clients or drive more sales to their business. Most will have a regular Facebook page, but that's not enough to spread the word in today's crowded newsfeed. That's where you can come in as a Facebook ad agency owner. One of the best parts about this business model is that once you have a client's advertising campaign set up and running smoothly, there's very little ongoing work needed on your end. Outside of checking in for a few minutes each day, it is a relatively hands-off business model, so I still consider it to be quite passive after everything is initially set up. You can be an agency of one person, or you can choose to expand as you start to serve more clients. Even with very little experience, learning the art and skill of Facebook ads is doable and can be very inexpensive. There are numerous beginner and intermediate level tutorials on YouTube, and even on sites like Udemy you can find Facebook marketing courses for as little as $15. You see, offering services like Facebook marketing is beneficial because you are trading experience for dollars, which typically involves less capital up front than opening up a brick and mortar store or creating a physical product. So how much can a Facebook agency earn you? It is quite common for Facebook specialists to charge anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month per client, which is why it is one of my favorite passive income ideas. Idea number 6, create an online store. With the explosion of e-commerce comes the opportunity to create a passive income stream using an online store. In particular, dropshipping has become very popular, and if you're unfamiliar with it, here's how it works. You create an online store that offers products from certain manufacturers. A person visits your site and orders a product, and then your system sends the order to the specific manufacturer. The manufacturer then completes the order by shipping it directly to the customer, at which point you collect the profits. One of the cool things about this type of business is that you do not need to order inventory, meaning a much lower initial cost, making it perfect if you have little money to start with. Moreover, setting up your shop can be inexpensive as well. Many dropshippers set up their store using Shopify, which charges just $30 a month, which is much cheaper than the thousands of dollars it would cost to open up a brick and mortar shop in your city. In short, once you have your store set up, the rest can be completely automated, meaning that you'll be earning income no matter what you're doing. Idea number 7, start a YouTube channel. Every day, regular people like you and me are making money on YouTube. While you may use YouTube to pass the time or learn something new, for many people YouTube is how they earn their living, and much of this income comes in a passive form. You see, every time someone watches one of your videos, ads can appear, and you can make money from those ads. Alternatively, your viewers can also buy your courses or affiliate products, making you money without any extra effort on your end after the video is released. Now, the reality is that running a YouTube channel is anything but passive in nature, as building an audience takes consistent work and video output, but once a video is released, it acts as a digital asset, accruing you ad revenue and hopefully sales over time. But let's say you just relied upon ad revenue to generate passive income. What could your earning stream look like? Take a look at the channel Far From Average. This channel gets over 3 million views every month, earning the owner over $10,000 in ad revenue alone. Now, of course, this is a large channel and getting to this point will take time. But even with a smaller channel, making a few $100s a month passively is quite doable. What's better is that starting a YouTube channel doesn't have to be expensive. Most YouTubers, like Mr. Beast, the YouTube sensation with over 20 million subscribers, started their channels using just their iPhone. Therefore, creating your own channel and making passive income through this means really shouldn't cost you anything. And there you have it, 7 passive income ideas you can start with little money, which will allow you to make money while you sleep. Thanks for watching. If you want to go from the life you have to the life you deserve, Then hit the subscribe button below.